Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Have you ever wanted to make a very slight tweak to a flight plan, maybe because the day of your flight changed because of rain or something like that? Or had a drone job where you've had to do repeated flights day after day, just changing one little thing on your flight plan each time? Well, the latest release of Drone Pilot Canada solves both of these issues perfectly. Yes, in Drone Pilot Canada version 3.1, we've added two powerful functions related to flight plans. First of all, you can edit flight plans in order to change any attribute of your flight. And secondly, you can now create a new flight plan based upon one you already had, essentially cloning a flight plan. Now there's a couple of sensible restrictions, but these two features offer a huge amount of flexibility. Let's walk through each one. Recall that when you create a flight plan, you have the option to save it so you can assign it to an actual flight log when you complete your mission. As long as your flight plan has not yet been assigned, you can now select it from the hamburger menu, Documents, Flight Plans, and on that list, choose one of your flight plans, and now you can say Edit. When you do so, you can keep or change any of the flight attributes, like the mission name, the SFOC number, the date, your operating area, and the individual points of interest. Anything. Now, to avoid any risk of messing up any automatically collected information, such as NOTAMs or the weather, the date and time for your edited flight plan must be in the future. You can't post-date it, which makes sense if you think about it. Once you've assigned a flight plan to an actual flight record, the flight plan is essentially locked down, but we do still allow you to add notes to the end of the flight plan as a simple text addendum. Of course, you could always unassign the flight plan, edit it any way you want, and reassign it, but if you do so, your flight date again must be in the future. So the simple text addendum is probably the easiest thing to do. Flight plans created prior to version 3.1 cannot be edited at all, but again, we do allow you to add notes as an addendum. The other new feature is available when creating a flight plan from the Dot menu. A new option is available to create a new flight plan based upon an existing one, as an alternative to starting from scratch. If you select the new option, you'll be provided with a list of all available flight plans, including both those already assigned to flight records or unassigned ones. Selecting a flight plan effectively clones it and opens it up for editing. So you can now go through and keep or update any part of the plan. Only flight plans created in Drone Pilot Canada 3.1 or later can be cloned in this manner. This is a very simple and straightforward way to replicate flight plans if you have a series of similar flights one after another. So there we have it, two great new ways to deal with flight plans in Drone Pilot Canada: editing plans and cloning from existing plans. Drone Pilot Canada, built by Canadians for Canadian drone pilots.